My daily activities start in the morning. I wake up around 5 or 6 a.m. and then after I wake up, I go to bedroom to wash my face, to brush my teeth, and then I go back to my bedroom to praying, to read Bible, to listen to worship songs, and I do that around 15 until 20 minutes. And then after that, I go to bedroom again to take a shower, and then I prepare myself to get ready to campus. Before that, I get my breakfast first, and after done, I go to college, and then I'm at college until 5 or 6 p.m. And then when I get ready, when I'm already at home, I'm playing with my puppy, and I ready to take a shower again. And after that, I get my dinner, and when I'm finished, I'm ready to finish my homework first. After I finish my homework, I'm laid down, I'm scrolling social media, and then chatting with my friends or anything to get my body rest. And then after that, if I ready to sleep, the thing first I do is praying again, read my Bible again, and then listen to worship song again. And after that, I'm ready to get sleep and done to that day with feeling happy, feeling peace. And yeah, that's my daily activities for the day.